So, good morning, dear students. Uh, Today we are studying English, and you all students are of class 8. And today it is the conversation time, English spoken time. Okay, so uh, now you will come in front of the class and speak in English. Okay, you will have the conversation in English with your friends. Okay, dear students, because English is very important language and you have to know and you have to practice about that. So let's practice. Come one and one and get practice. Okay. So first of all, who will come? Who will come? Please raise your hand. Okay.
I am GN Singham from class 5 and I am reading in Kurwatand.
I am Shruti Bharti. I will go to, now I will go in class 6th.
राम आम खाता है. Translate into English.
Ram eats mango.
सीता खेलती है.
Sita plays.
राम अभी आम खाएगा.
Ram will eat. Ram will eat a mango now. Now Ram will eat a mango.
ट्रेन अभी चलेगी.
Train will run now.
कार से अभी हम लोग बाहर जाएंगे.
Now we will go out of the car.
मेरे बाल काले हैं.
My hair is black.
तुम कैसे हो?
How are you?
मैं अच्छा हूँ.
I am fine.
How is your dress?
तुम्हारा ड्रेस कैसा है? Now I shall ask you.
Okay.
मैं नाचूंगा.
I dance. I will dance now.
मैं आम खा रहा हूँ.
I am eating a mango.
तुम कल पटना जाओगी.
You will go to Patna tomorrow.
मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ.
I am eating food.
मैं 4 दिनों से पढ़ रहा हूँ.
I am reading for 4 days.
तुम अपनी आँख बंद कर लो.
Close your eyes.
तुम कौन से कपड़े पहने हो?
Which dress you have wear?
तुम अपने दोस्तों का नाम बताओ.
Tell your friend name.
मैं तुमसे घृणा करती हूँ.
I hate you.
अभी क्या समय हो रहा है?
What is the time now?
Which color do you like? In Hindi.
कौन सा रंग तुम्हें पसंद है?
तुम्हारे बालों में कौन सा रंग पसंद है?
Which color of hair do you like?
क्या तुम लंबा होना चाहते हो?
Do you want to be tall? Now we shall ask GK questions. Who is the inventor of mobile phone?
Martin Cooper.
Who is the inventor of telephone?
Graham Bell.
Who is the inventor of where in Vedic time where the notes are written?
In stones. In stones.
In the bark of trees called Bhojpatra.
Who is the author of Broken Heart? Sarojini Naidu. Which is the hottest planet in the solar system?
Mercury.
I think that is wrong. Venus. Name the 3 planets of solar system.
Mercury, Venus, Earth.
What is the name of Mahatma Gandhi's mother? Putlibai.
Putli Bai.
And what is the name of his wife?
Kasturba Gandhi.
And what is the name of his fathers?
Raji. No. Mohandas.
Karamchandra.
Mohandas.
Where has Mahatma Gandhi born?
In Gujarat, Porobandar.
And where Gautam Buddha has born? Nepal, Lumbini.
Nepal, Lumini.
Now you ask.
Which is the largest planet in the solar system? And is is sun a star?
Yes.
How many holes are there in solar system?
Holes.
Holes in the galaxy.
I don't know.
There are 2 holes called black hole and white hole.
Which is the name the star which is closer to the Earth?
Star.
Sun. I will ask. Name the Prime Minister of India.
Sri Narendra Modi.
And who is the President of India now?
President.
Draupadi.
Draupadi Murmu.
And who is the first Prime Minister of India?
Rajendra. Jawaharlal Nehru.
And who is the first President of India? First President of India.
Dr. Rajendra Prasad. From where Dr. Rajendra Prasad was?
And from Bihar.
Rajendra Prasad.
Bihar.
First Lady Prime Minister. First Lady Prime Minister.
Indira Gandhi.
And
Who is the Chief Minister of Bihar?
Nitish Kumar.
And who is the Chief Minister of West Bengal?
Mamta Banerjee.
How many states in India?
28.
And how many union territories?
8. No, sorry, 9.
So students, as you have seen right now that some students have come and had conversation in English. So it is very good thing. So in the next class we shall call some more students and have conversation with them. Okay. So till now it is enough. Thank you very much.